Now that you have access to the eCARE system, you can view remittance reports for both individual invoices and bulk payments. Let's start with invoice remittance. Remittance details are available only for invoices with a paid status, which is indicated in green. To view the remittance, navigate to Medicare, then select Medical Invoices, which will open the invoice list page. You'll see invoices with different statuses. Select the paid invoice by clicking the checkbox in the Select column. Then, go to Actions, click the ellipsis, and choose Payment Breakdown. This opens the detailed payment view. Under Payment Details, you will see a remittance icon. Select this icon to open the remittance report for the invoice. The report loads instantly, displaying the full payment details. From here, you can save or print the report if required. Now let's look at bulk remittance reports. To access these, navigate to HCP, then select Home. On the Home page, click the Remittance Report tab. The report will load immediately and display remittance entries for the last 90 days. You can also apply filters to refine the information shown in the report. And that's how you view remittances.